Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Screed. So how quickly can you walk on your Screed after it's been laid? Well, that really depends on the products. So you're looking from anything from 60 minutes to 7 days. A number of factors will affect this, one of which is the conditions on site at the time, so temperature. That will slow down the reaction. So it may be in winter, you've got to give it longer than in summer. We provide a range of products, and when we're providing the quotation for you, we will highlight how long it is before you can actually traffic the Screed. What you've got to bear in mind also is the type of traffic. So if it's just a case of light foot traffic, just walking across, not working on the surface, then it's going to be a lot quicker. If we're talking about full site traffic where the demands are going to be greater, then it's going to be the end of the period really. We have products that will cater for whatever your requirements are. I would say the Screed will always need to be protected until it's actually covered. Most of the Screeds that are supplied are non-wearing surface Screed, so they expect a floor covering to go on top. So if you bear that in mind as well, so if there's any particular activities that are going to damage the Screed, then the Screed just needs to be protected. So you might use ply boards, etc. But if you have any specific requirements of when you need to walk on it, you can speak to us and we'll design a system that will cater for your needs. Thank you.